Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Mark as Lost on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and unlock your phone. Now here, what are we going to do is we're going to go to the FindHub application, and you can locate your devices here. As you guys can see, there's a lot of devices for me. But of course, if we click on our Pixel 11 Pro, we can go to the settings, and here we want to make sure that allow device to be located is enabled, and also make sure that you select remote lock here. So you guys can use the remote lock. Now here, basically, you can go to android.com/lock on your device. You guys can even link it right here. And here you need to put the number, the phone number of the device that you want to lock. And here there's info needed to use the remote lock, so you need the phone number and also a security question. So first you need a SIM card, then you can select the security question. It is really helpful. And also the security questions, there's a lot of them. So for example, in what city or town did your parents meet? And here you can just you can even fool somebody. So in what city or town did your parents meet? And you can for example say Germany here. So we're going to name a country instead of a town. Now this will be our answer. We can click on set, and also after you have the remote lock, you'll be able to mark your phone as lost. And that's very important. If you don't have a SIM card, then it might be really hard to enable it. And that's how you guys can do it. So you guys can find the device in the FindHub, then you can lock the phone entirely. And the finder, what the finder will see on the lock screen, basically your number that you can either call or copy, the number that he can contact, and it will basically say that this phone has been marked as lost. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.